Jenny Ng, I'm the VP of Education. So when we chatted with Leo a few months ago, we had shared we wanted to do the power of play. And he did a great job capturing everything. We in our profession are very busy, and it's hard to bring play. And he did a great job sharing more how to bring that into your work and your personal life. He talked a lot about burnout, which a lot of us experience, so how to help mitigate some of that, and he just exceeded all our expectations. Well done. I highly recommend. Very engaging, very interactive, really great content as well, easy to work with.
Leo, he offered a presentation for 2 hours, and it was like being in a flow state. He captured and enraptured and captured our attention and played with Legos in a way that brought about psychological things, brought about emotional things. He gave insights into how to effectively play and how valuable play is. And listen, I'm a guy who likes to play, and so I was like, I'm all in, but he brings the data behind it. He brings the neurology behind it. He does such a great job of speaking, playing, get you connected at your tables, get you standing up. Such an innovative speaker himself, creative, enjoyable, fun. This was a fast flowing 2 hours that was just incredible. Listen, I love keynote speakers. He did a fabulous job today. And so it was a thrill and a pleasure to get to be in the audience while he was giving his presentation and connecting us and engaging us in play. It was awesome.
Everyone really enjoyed it. We've been hearing great feedback from the attendees. Everyone that we've talked to really enjoyed it. It's a unique experience for the attendees. I would 10 out of 10 recommend Leo. It was a really fun way, like even outside of the Legos, the puppies versus kitten game really just encouraged some laughter and fun and just really took people out of their shells at our tables. So we got to build some great connections. Absolutely would recommend him.